Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair last night using a recommendation, and it was the L'Oreal Paris Casting Cream in the shade 2B, which is blue black. And yeah, I had a hard time finding this. I ordered it on Amazon. I tried looking for it on Walmart, but they wanted like $25 a box for this. And I don't know if it's because it's not on the shelves anymore, like in the store. And I don't know if it's like becoming obsolete or you can only find this in like certain places. But like, you know, like Rite Aids or like Walgreens, stuff like that. But anyways, I'm actually kind of impressed with this. And I'll tell you why. Because I have such a terrible time with L'Oreal hair colors that this one just kind of blew me out of the water. I was expecting my head to be so irritated after I put the color on, and I did use a ion sensitive scalp oil and I only used one, and I thought it was gonna like give me more issues. I was like, this is so insanely gentle. I didn't have any issues. It didn't itch at all. And there's no scent. Like, I was shocked about that because I was like, I don't remember smelling like a fake floral or fruity scent, or I didn't even smell hair like dye or chemicals or anything. So you don't even need ventilation. I kind of didn't even notice that there was no smell until I'm like going through all my notes, trying to figure out like where I bought it, like does it smell, is it irritating, like all that stuff. And I'm just like, I don't smell anything. So that's a good one. The only downfall is that it says on the box that it only covers 70% of grays and it's not 100%. So I'm hoping it'll last a little longer than a couple weeks. Usually L'Oreal hair colors don't stay in my hair longer than 2 washes. So far so good, and my white hairs are completely covered, and I don't get gray. I get like pure white hair. So those are hidden right now. I haven't seen any pop up. I feel like these areas are more like my foundation on top of it, but I haven't seen any like of my pure whites because I have a couple like really stubborn ones up top here, and those are covered. They haven't popped through the color yet, so that is good. Did I mention that I ordered this on Amazon? I ordered this on Amazon. You could buy this for like $6 or $7 a box. Do not get it on Walmart.com. They're asking an outrageous amount. I don't know why, but they want $25 a box. It's insane. I don't know if it's because they may be discontinuing this. I don't know, but usually when they discontinue a hair color, they jack the price up to, it could be a $6 hair color, and they jack it up to like anywhere between 15 to 25, if not more. Don't go for it. Just buy it on Amazon. It was cheaper. This color does contain toluene, and I'm just so shocked at how gentle this hair color is. And me and L'Oreal, just our hair colors, just we butt heads. I can't stand using L'Oreal hair colors. It could be from Sally's, it could be from the drugstore. It just doesn't sit well on my head. It irritates so bad, and this was insanely gentle. Yes, I did put 1 tube of the sensitive scalp oil in from Ion, but usually 1 tube or 2 tubes just don't cut it on the sensitivity scale with L'Oreal. But this, it blew me away. I had no sensitivity. I was able to keep it on the whole time without having to wash it off early because of irritation. So I'm super impressed. I'm hoping that it lasts a little longer than most, because L'Oreal usually washes out after like the second wash. It doesn't stay. I end up having to do my hair all over again after a couple weeks. It's just not good. I'm hoping that this works, but most L'Oreal hair colors are not meant for gray coverage at all. So for this to have at least 70% of gray coverage, that's saying something. I'm hoping it lasts long. So so far so good. I don't have anything terrible to say about it. The only thing I didn't like was after I took my wet hair out of the towel, my hair was kind of like tangly, but that wasn't a huge issue. It doesn't stain your skin or your sink or tub or anything, so it was very easy to wash off. Now let's get into this color. Sorry, I have my window open, so if you hear like cars coming and lots of birds chirping, that's why. Ooh, look at that blue. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. I see it, but I don't know if you guys can see it. That blue. Ooh, look at that. I can't wait to see what it looks like in the actual sunlight. I'm hoping I can like sneak out of the house to do that. But my kids are sick at the moment. I don't know what's going on, but I am having a hard time sneaking out to do anything. So anyways, I'm hoping I can like get some pictures and post it on my Instagram of what it looks like in the sun and show you guys if it's got like a better blue hue. But this is just natural lighting in front of my window and the sun like peeking in. And if I can see that much blue just from the window and the natural light, I'm hoping it'll be a little bit more intense in actual sun. So I think this is beautiful. Honestly, I am super impressed with this hair color, like beyond impressed. If I ever need to, I might actually go with this color if it lasts. Like, I don't like the fact that I have to order it on Amazon and I can't just pick it up in the store, but you know, Amazon is pretty good at shipping for 2 days. But like, I can't get over it. I can't get over how blue it is. I'm impressed. We'll see. I will keep you guys updated on my Instagram, and if you don't follow me already, it's Nina_Gilhousen, and I will let you guys know if this color lasts longer than like 2 or 3 washes, if my grays are showing or not by then. I'm right now, I'm impressed. I'm like shook. I'm like shook to the core that a L'Oreal hair color has blown me away, because L'Oreal just, I hate bashing them because they make such great products for like everything else, like makeup and shampoo and conditioners and stuff, but just hair color just doesn't cut it, and it just never works for me. But this, I'm impressed. Yeah, so I will keep you guys updated on my Instagram, and you guys can always send me recommendations of stuff that you want me to try, as long as it's in like the black family, like blue black, violet black, or just jet black. Let me know in the comments below if there's a color that like is coming out or that's new. I try to do ones that are from overseas, but they're really hard to get my hands on because of shipping cost, and they jack the price up. So it's really hard to get, but if it's like cheap enough where it's like $20 for 2 boxes and shipping's only like between $5 and $10, I will do it. But it's pointless to buy a hair color that's $5 and spend $35 on 2 boxes and then shipping on top of it. It's just outrageous. So anything that is, I will try my best to get and to try it out. But if there's any hair colors or any brands and stuff that you've heard of that I never heard of or haven't tried or anything, let me know in the comments below. You can always hit me up on Instagram. Like, if there's a color that you want me to try, you can always like send me a picture in my DMs on Instagram, and I will, so I know what I'm actually looking for. That helps too. Now there's like a color that I was recommended and from L'Oreal, and they don't even make it. So I don't know if it's just like different countries make different products, but I can't get certain things and I can't find them. So, and I've searched eBay and Walmart, and I've searched Amazon and stuff, and I can't find that color that was recommended at all. Like, it's non-existent here. So yeah, anything that you wanted to see me try, I will definitely do it. I've kind of run out of recommendations, and I've tried every single hair color out there from drugstore and Sally's. So unless a new one pops up or they add a new blue black to their line or a different black, just keep your eyes open and let me know, because sometimes I don't see it. You guys see it before me, and I've had a few recommendations that were like, hey, this just came out, can you try it? And I'm like, yeah. So let me know, and I will do my best to find it and get it and try it and show you. So yeah, I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.